Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to update SDK in Android Studio. So let's start. Just go to SDK manager, then select Android SDK. Make sure click this check, otherwise you will not understand and it will start looking for updates. So click check mark as per your requirement. When you finished all the check marks, then click apply and hit OK and accept confirm changes. And it will take a while to download, like 30 minutes or more depending on your internet connection. So stay wait. And when the process is done, the text will appear here and then click next. Then you are ready to go to use it. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit like and I'll see you in the next one.